Yo, good morning. We over here in another car show, back in the main line. Over here with my boy Jeff again. Yo. But this time we in the M340. You already know, fresh kick spec. This is nice with the sunroof. Look at that, man. We moving up in life. Just kidding, I'm broke. Alright, now we're waiting in line. This is a long, no tents, look, no tents, no watch, no nothing. What's cooking up with a what's it, M3CS? Yeah, M3CS. This ain't not bad. Pretty nice.
Did he beat us? Probably.
Oh yeah, he was like 3 miles ahead. Damn, the mic's working. Look at the color. M340, looking clean. Look at that, parking by herself. We're not cool like everybody else. Alright, I see you.
Oh, wow. I raised it up about 1.5 inches.
Yeah, you're not the full driver right here.
Where? Oh yeah, he got a real driver grade right here. Is it? Damn, dude. M3. Look at the brake dust though. It's crazy. Damn, look at this. The CSOs with the condensation though. Condensation? Condensation. Oh, he got a Valtronic. Valtronic, rich guy. Alibaba Express right there. Oh, this is a vibe now. Is it Laguna Seca Blue?
Yeah, that shit's hard.
I thought it was more blue, but this thing's like.
This ain't Laguna? You sure?
I don't know.
Nah, this is it, bro.
Is it it, Jeff?
Yeah, this is it.
Alright. Yeah, this.
46, you never see E46 around here. Oh, we see the G's.
Yeah, this is clean. Look at the inside. Wow. Oh, he even got a magazine out. Oh, snap. Very nice. Whoa. You know about the clown shoe?
That's clean, bro.
This is clean too. Yeah. Very nice. How about this? This is not Laguna? What is that blue right there? Oh snap, I'm fine, dude.
It's a nice G90 though.
Yeah, very nice. Damn, so bright. Asian dude.
Oh, look. The guy that was behind us.
No, it's not. I'm 340i. Yeah, this dude's funny. Damn.
It's bigger than it was last
Okay. Oh, manual. Manual too. It's crazy. Whoa. God. This is nice too. GT 500. Wow. Very nice. Crazy. Damn, look at this blue Carrera. Wow. It's driven too. It's crazy. Let's look at the inside. Look at the inside. Damn, this is nice. Should be a Turbo S.
Yeah, it's a Turbo S?
Yeah.
You want Pond up?
Oh, the gray is so nice. Bro, it's in the seat right here, man. Yeah, it's a Turbo S.
Yeah, it should look nice.
Very nice. Dude got a whole trunk open right here. See that thing? Looks crazy. Wow, GT3.
Pretty nice, pretty nice.
Pretty nice, pretty nice.
Told me, and I went here. I go. They're like, how much did you pay for it?
Wow. There we go. Yeah, I think this looks way better. All right, where he at? Where he at? I'm at the Porsches, man. I'm at the Porsches. Ah, that's an Octane.
Yeah.
No, I'm here. Right here. Can you see this? Okay. Yeah, I'm right. Oh, I'm right behind you. What's up? What's up?
Hi.
Hi.
What's going on, man?
What's going on, Liam?
Hi, Liam. Morning.
Hi. Hi.
Nice shirt.
No, look at that.
Nice shirt. Look at that. Pusher boy.
I'm a pusher boy.
That shit is fucking fire. That shit got a fucking
Really? That one?
GT.
Oh, the mustard one?
Yeah.
Oh, that's crazy.
They got a freaking.
Oh, look at that. Chrome wheels. Wow. Porsche. Oh, this is the off-road one. Storado.
Colorado?
Yeah, right here. Yeah, it is.
Shit, it is. I didn't see it got that.
Yo, the lift look good.
The wheel's crazy.
The wheel is crazy. Man, I know. Look, as you can see through the wheels too.
Damn. I bet to go. Look at Ferrari, man.
Yeah, right. Look at that Ferrari. Lamborghini. Wow. Yeah. The color's insane.
This shit is nice. They even got
Yeah, it's gonna see that in 10 years. Yo, the 4 GT. Whoa, you don't see this one.
it's a 4GT.
Yeah, the new one, bro. Yeah. Yeah, bro. V6. See it right here.
This is a V6.
Yeah, it is. But it's a fast V6 though. It's like a 1,000 horsepower or something.
This shit isn't expected. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, with the white. Yellow is crazy. Yo, there's a lot of Robuestos, bro.
Happy face that. Happy face.
Happy face.
Happy face.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, sad face.
Sad face.
Happy face. Sad face.
And
Purple one,
yeah, this purple look crazy. Ferrari. Oh yeah, that one. Yeah, it's GT40. What is it? Is this what's it? The Le Mans car?
Yeah.
Oh snap.
Like a long tail.
Yeah, like GT40 something like that.
Yeah, bless you.
Oh damn, yeah, this thing's crazy.
That shit is sick.
And look at the intake on that. Well, lots of stack.
Shit.
It's crazy. Yeah, that's crazy. All the way under there.
It's all three generation. Damn, these your colors sick.
Yeah,
This dude brought his boat one is yours.
that's crazy. Whoa, rich guy over there. Look at that green GTR though.
No.
You want to see the R6 over there?
What?
The wagon?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ballin'.
That's something.
He killed it, huh?
Killed it. And I had to market it too. Yeah. I'm gonna go check out the R6. Right? Yo, the Thule is crazy. Oh, the Ferrari? Oh, it's not about to get a TikTok edit. TikTok editor, John.
I can sell them.
Very cool. Huracan Evo? Damn. Damn, this R6 though. Wow. Yo, the wheels are like 15, 20 bands, bro.
Yeah. A piece.
Nah, it's like
all together.
7,000 each, I think. It's crazy. Damn. It seems so nice, bro. R6. Is it an apartment building? Oh, look at the paint, bro. It's like purple-ish. Like in the sun, just the paint? I don't know, probably a lot. Probably a lot of money.
Oh, you used a grid on yours?
Yeah, use a grid.
You like that?
Yeah, it helps you center the car. And no turbo though.
Play around, huh? I don't know what it is, but it's crazy.
It's crazy. Hello, Liam. Might be British Racing Green. It's crazy. Wow, look at the inside of that. Sheesh. Very nice. Gated too. Damn.
It's still
this
the
is
best sounding
nice.
Ferrari, in my opinion.
All right.
Yeah, it sounds so good.
Yeah, just told her that.
Wow.
It's just the maintenance. That's the problem with these cars. Yeah. Everything is now, like every 5 years. But it looks good, yeah. Oh yeah. It stands the test of time. Like, it still looks.
This is
Last
beautiful.
one, I think by Pininfarina.
No, I don't think you need expansion anymore. No, it's that exempt right there.
Oh, that's just for emissions.
Oh,
If you
the
drive
emission
less than 10,000 a year, or
Oh.
5,000 a year, I think it is, then you don't have to have emissions.
Oh, okay.
You got the VIP spot.
Where?
Right there, you got the drop top in front.
Oh yeah. Of course he does.
You got the VIP. Same thing we saw at turn 14, just in white. Or
Yeah.
just in black.
Yeah. Did we?
Yeah, remember we saw the white one in that spec?
Yeah, we did. Yo, the rear in this car is crazy.
997 GT2?
Oh snap. Oh snap.
Has to be. I'm just gonna know my cars though.
Yeah, you know your cars. This one is a GT2. Yeah.
You know, it's now one of the things is the thing that the bumper
Is it this?
got this gill.
Oh snap! I don't even notice that. That's crazy. I like this little like scoop.
Yeah. Scoop too. It's cool.
The scoop is sick.
Yeah, Scoop is cool.
This is expensive than this one, right?
Yeah, they're like 350 now.
Oh yeah. Yeah, this one's like.
Oh no, the GT2 RS is more expensive. This
Oh.
is like
pushing like
Oh.
six.
This is the Widowmaker rig.
Oh.
This is rear-wheel drive.
Okay.
So all GT2s are like the top of the line turbo.
Okay.
Turbo's all-wheel drive. GT2 is rear-wheel drive with more power.
Yeah, but still turbo.
Yeah, with more power.
Oh shit. Oh.
And it's rear-wheel drive only, and,
so,
and it's lighter.
So this is gangster spec.
It's gangster stuff.
Oh, and there's another one right there, black one.
Yeah, gangster spec.
Oh snap.
Yeah, with the wheels on it.
Oh, so if you a gangster, that's what you
It's
rock.
gangster spec now.
Oh snap.
Straight up.
Yo, the carbon is crazy.
Only comes in 6-speed too.
Oh wow. Oh yeah, this is
Speed only. Speed only.
no traction control.
No, there's traction control on it.
Yeah, I don't think there is either.
Seat turn.
Like 600 horsepower, 600 something.
Yo, this thing is fast.
This thing is on the rollers. It's a monster. On the road.
That it is.
Yeah,
Cutting up.
600-700 horsepower, bro, in this. 245. That's crazy.
Let's go.
Man, look at the van though. Oh. And they got an F1 race going too? Yo, this is crazy.
Yeah, it's just like a thing. It's a shadow. Yeah, man, you have this in Cambodia going around, taking it around.
Before the race,
Right.
this could be podium day for Williams. I want that on the record. It doesn't take much to happen here for Alex Albon.
Damn, they balling like that? Leaving the car on? Willows. Got the Alibaba wheels, bro. Lamborghini, Lamborghini. Oh, it's green. Wow.
Brand new.
The ultimate vacation mobile right here with the sunroof. Convertible, bro. That's crazy. That's pretty sick.
Like, really?
And it's matching with a Porsche.
Yeah, no, that's probably the same person.
How much is this van? Probably like 80,000, sir.
This drone?
Yeah, this.
Man, it's probably like $120,000.
The van?
Yeah.
Damn.
It's all redone. Everything is redone.
That's crazy.
We know R5,
Oh, yeah.
the rear engine.
That one got a rear engine?
Yeah.
Oh, no way.
That's the Group B.
Group B car.
Car, yeah. Europe. It's not in the US. It's finally imported. About like an 87.
Does it make it like 300 horsepower or something like that?
Oh, it's like 200 something.
Oh, that's fast. It's light.
It's light.
That's crazy.
In rally format, it's like 600 horsepower.
Oh, yeah.
200 pounds.
Yeah.
That is a monster.
And there's some people coming in. That's crazy.
So this
Probably some.
PTO, no. Like house seats, man.
Damn, dude.
This fixed right
Engine cover.
Oh.
Turbo. Of course, Montana.
How much would this one be?
That's probably 80,000 now.
Dang. Eddie Band, bro.
You could get it for like 20,000, like maybe 5 years ago.
5 years ago was 20K?
I thought these were a lot smaller.
I mean, it's pretty small, bro.
That joint is like,
It ain't that small, bro. It's pretty wide.
it's wide.
Yeah, it's wide.
I thought it was like a Cooper.
Bupra.
Tesla Roadster.
Oh, snap.
Like 100,000 now.
Damn. Roadster Sport.
Oh, you know, also load is a lease chassis.
Really?
Yeah,
That's crazy. The carbon is nice on the dash. Carbon gauges. Oh,
There's a
snap.
SV here.
That's crazy.
SVJ,
That sounds crazy.
Spider RS.
Spider RS. Oh, this guy's balling.
Back is like the best. This is like 200. I don't know. It's like 200. It's like $200,000, dude.
I know.
Or more. I'm like, what?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, it does got a GT3 engine, so
Alright.
it's just it's just smaller, yeah, and it's a
The back
Spider.
is like where it's at. The back is.
Yeah. All right, we got a Viper ACR here, black. Parked like a gangster, pulled in. Look at that halfway manual. That's crazy.
This shit will take your legs off, man.
It will cut you.
Take your legs off.
That's crazy.
Oh, GT2, Liam. Both two GT2.
Yo, this thing, if you don't be careful, it will slice your leg, bro. This thing looks sharp, literally. See me rolling. Man.
The white one is fire.
I like the white one better. Yeah,
Japanese lot.
yeah, we could go.
Japanese lot.
Swear a lot. Let's go back. The Chevy SS is sick too.
It's a BMW.
Yeah, it's Japanese BMW. Chevy SS right there, the green one.
I actually was supposed to get one of those before.
Really?
I was thinking about getting one.
I love it.
It's pretty much like a modern day E39 M5.
Yeah. The American one.
Yeah, the American one. 400 horsepower, same shit.
Yeah, and it's low key, nobody know what it is.
Okay, dog.
He swapped it with the Holden badge. Australia.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro, it got the V8 in it from the Camaro. It's crazy. And M3, M4.
Charger. It's like MDS is stock.
That's crazy.
Fenders are crazy.
Yeah. Why, buddy?
Once you walk by it,
Yeah. I mean,
Boxy looking, you know what I mean?
yeah. But it's like OEM Plus though, because all of this used to be like black plastic, but they swapped it out for carbon.
Tech, this M-Tech shit?
Yeah, probably. I don't know. Or Alibaba.
I'll be Alibaba just joined up. The handling is ridiculous.
Oh, ballin'. Dang, Asian dude too. Very nice. Yeah. Yeah, that's so cool. The E63. Old school. Bupra. Damn, dude.
That's a green.
Acid green.
I had a BMW 5.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah. Should I open this one? You want to see this rabbit?
Yeah.
Rabbit?
The wheels are
Rabbit.
sick. Do you like the wing on the M3?
I like that wing.
Really? The Swanek?
Bad.
I don't know.
It's not.
Yeah, I don't think I like it. I like the little duck bell better.
That one? That one's too
Yeah. Not that one. That one's too big. Like a little tiny lip.
I mean, well, wings, it's not bad. It fits.
Yeah.
It matches it. You know, it's black and everything.
Yeah.
That shit is fine.
Yeah.
I mean, you can tell that.
This one's crazy. Mhm.
GR. New one?
GR.
The new one, right?
Yeah.
25? No. I know this is the front bumper. That's why.
Yeah. It doesn't got the fog light.
I'm like the cool though.
I like the fog light better. Yeah, like that one right there. Yeah. Oh yeah. You're balling.
Behind you, Jeff. Behind you. Yeah. Oh man, too big for that car, yeah?
Yeah, for real. Dang, he got a bucket seats.
Yeah, long. Just drops.
Mhm.
Just drops hard.
Dang, 2023, 2024. Dang, they balling, bro. Where they get all the money from? Oh, it got a chrome wheel. It's crazy. Damn.
Old man spec right there.
Old man spec. Oh, what the frick? Oh. Yeah,
You about to blow my eardrums with that.
I know. Crazy guy.
Come again.
That this thing is a sleeper, right? Very nice.
Turbo ball. He was coming in like that all day coming in. I heard with this guy.
5.0, 5.0.
And this one 370.
Yeah.
Fire.
I like the rear bumper. It's like wide.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Two of them things.
Oh, damn. Very nice. You know, the 350Z Nismo. It's nice too.
I got one of the best stock rims.
Yeah. Yeah. A lot of people are trying to get a stock rim of these and chrome them out. Yeah, there's Nismo. Nismo rims.
SVR.
SVR.
SVR. That's a family car and a half right there. Huh?
Yeah. No, I like this. This one's nice.
I always like the
Yeah. It's clean. OEM Plus, I like. OEM Plus. Is that GTR? 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 Damn.